Are you having issues with your bathtub and shower where the water won't come out of the shower head, or maybe it'll just come out of the faucet and not out of the shower head? Well, that's the problem that I'm having right now, and there's an easy way to fix this, which I will walk you through now. This repair applies to a bathtub and a shower situation where the diverter for the water is in the faucet. Now for me, my diverter is just coming straight out. It's not attached to the liftgate inside. Here's what the liftgate looks like. This is a plastic piece with a rubber O-ring inside of it. But you may have one of two issues going on. The first is the liftgate is actually functionally broken. On the bottom of the liftgate there are two teeth, and this is where the lifter itself connects in order to move the gate up and down inside of the faucet. So your gate may be broken. The second cause, which is the problem that I have, is hard water. I have hard water build up inside of this faucet to the point where the liftgate is actually stuck. And I tried to pull it out with a pair of pliers, I tried needle nose, I couldn't get the darn thing to release. And then eventually, I kind of flipped the script a little bit. I took the lifter out and I came up underneath the gate and I hooked it inside of the back and wiggled it a little bit and was able to pull it down in order to get it out. Now you may need to finagle it a little bit more with the pliers. Needle nose work well here in order to pry it out, but once you get it out, well, now you have to clean out the hard water deposits. To clean the hard water out, I like to use CLR and spray it up inside of the faucet. And then for me, I just used a flathead screwdriver to break apart all of the hard water deposits up inside of the faucet head so that I could get the liftgate back up inside. But my liftgate is also somewhat damaged. The teeth on the bottom are not as strong as they once were in order to hold the lifter. Now, if your lifting rod is stuck and you can't get it out, you can take a pair of needle nose pliers and tuck them up underneath and spread the connection apart on the gate so that you can get the lifting rod out of your faucet, just in case you have that problem. This next part is incredibly important because you want to make sure that you get the gate that is going to match the faucet that you have. If you go to a hardware store, you may see options like these guys that are on the shelf, and they might look like they're about the same shape and size as what's inside of your faucet, but please be careful. Get the one that is matched to your faucet because these are just slightly off in the way that they are shaped versus the one that I actually need. So I went to the Moen website, figured out which gate was the right one, and purchased it directly from them so that it will match my faucet head. Now your gate comes with an O-ring, and when you look at the ring, you'll notice that the one side has a hollowing portion of it and the other side is completely flat. When you insert this inside the gate, you want to take the hollow portion and put it in so that when it's inserted, you have an entire flat surface on the outside, which is what's going to give you the seal that you need inside of the faucet head to block the water and send it up to the shower. When you insert the gate inside of the faucet, you want to do so that the teeth that hold the lifting rod are on the bottom side of the gate. So when you do it, you'll take the rod and insert it down from the top, and it will hook directly in those teeth, and that's what's going to help it divert the water in the direction that you need it to flow. When you insert the lifter inside of the gate, you might have to apply a little bit of pressure. Just hold it with your fingers inside the faucet and push down on that lifting rod until it clicks into place, and then you know you have a solid fit. Now, if you have the hard water issue like I did, once it's clean inside, you'll notice that the new gate goes up and down nice and easily so that you can control that water flow. But maybe you're actually having an issue with the faucet itself and you have to replace the entire thing. And for more information on how you do that, click or tap on this video. And until the next time, keep doing it yourself.